Hey guys, MSM RC and Hobby back for another video, and in this one we're going to spend a little time playing with this little guy. This is the JJRC Ripsaw Tank. If you're not familiar with the Ripsaw, it's a non-commercial, non-military tank that was developed for recreation primarily, and this is a really nice scale model of it. JJRC has done this in, I think it's about 12th scale or 16th scale, and it's a fully proportional, very nice, really well detailed little RC. Fully detailed interior, has a lot of really great scale details on the outside. It has a light bar and full working suspension, just like a real tank. And so I shot a short little video at a bike park, doing a little bit of trail work, and then I did a little bit of video on some gravel, just to show you how nimble this little guy is. When you buy the tank, comes with a lithium-ion battery, comes with a pistol grip radio, and just like every other RC, 2.4 gig, and yeah, really cool, really fun. So check out this video, and I'll be back to wrap it up at the end. Okay, so as you can see, this little guy is a ton of fun. Great little tank, really cool item from JJRC. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it on AliExpress. Thank you for watching another MSM video. You know, if you're enjoying our videos, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.